Welcome to watch today's Fresham. Small space, 30 square meters of color and life in Montmartre. Low-budget maxi effect is the perfect formula for this studio redesigned by architect Marie Tardieu, who played the color card and skillfully optimized the space. The result is a functional interior that feels larger than it is and boasts an irresistible style. To create real living spaces in this small 30 square meter studio, the architect decided, she reduced the bedroom to its minimum, barely 5 square meters, preferring the alcove concept which frees up space and multiplies the functional assets. An integrated storage bed occupies the entire surface of the platform and includes a large storage compartment for winter or summer clothes, skis, bags, suitcases, while the front of the platform serves as a small additional bench.